Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up internet connection on Windows 11. Alright, let's say your internet is lagging out. Well, this video is for you. First thing you need to do here is to go ahead and go to your search bar and type in CMD. Now, once the command prompt pops up, go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Click on it. There will be a prompt. Just click on Yes. Alright, now once this one pops up, I'm going to maximize this one. Just type in ipconfig space / release. Hit enter. ipconfig space / renew. Hit enter and wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. And again, type in netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. And as you can see here, the process is done. Just type in exit and it will close the command prompt. Once done, restart your computer. Check your internet via your favorite browser. Just type in speed test. Hit enter. Now you can either use this one from Google itself or speed test by Ookla. Just run the speed test and check your internet. All right. As you can see here, it is doing well. Now, what if that won't work? Just go ahead over to your search bar and type in control panel right here. Once this one pops up, click on it, maximize this one, and go ahead over to Network and Sharing Center. Click on it, then go to Change Adapter Settings, which is on the left pane. Click on it. And as you can see here, if you have multiple network right here, just go ahead and select the one that you're currently using. I only have one, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on this one right here. Double click, go to Properties. Now I'm going to locate Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Then I'm going to click on it, then hit on Properties. Now in here, where it says use the following DNS server addresses, tick this one and this page will open. Now what you're going to do is go back to your favorite browser and type in the best DNS server for your country or for your place. For example, I'm in the Philippines. I'm going to look for Philippines. All right. And as you can see here, there are a ton of search results right here. And the best one here is from Google's DNS. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. All right. I'm going to type in 8.8.8.8. And the alternate DNS would be 8.8.4.4. All right. Some of you might want to use Cloudflare's DNS. All right. Which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Once that's done, just hit on OK. Close this one. Restart your computer again. Check your speed test. All right. Again, type in speed test. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.